I'm back with another video. And me and Brayden are going to be having a Lego build-off today.
With Legos? See the real?
Yeah, with Legos. And this gigantic tote of Legos right here. And I don't know why this is in the way. And we're going to be building on these 20 by 20 platforms.
Oh, so you're just not getting random math in your head, bro. Good job.
We will start right now.
I'm going to show this video to Mr. Bowen.
We'll be
my plates.
We'll be building 3 different things. A house.
Okay.
What? What else?
I don't know.
Okay, a house. A zombie invasion.
I do not agree with that.
A zombie invasion. And... Alright, we'll just do 2. A zombie invasion and a house for this video.
A car.
No cars. That's going to be too hard.
I already got it cleaned out.
Already won the zombie invasion.
You big fat cheater, bro. I want to crush that so hard.
I'm hanging apart.
Did you actually build that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bro, you better be taking these things apart. Wait, do they just stick on all those?
Okay, we'll be starting with the house in 3, 2, 1, go. And we will have 2 minutes to build.
Hey, but we don't have a timer.
Yeah, we do.
Where?
Somewhere. It's secret.
Alright, it's 1 minute 30 at 3 minutes and 30.
2 minutes and 30.
No.
Oh, 3 minutes and 30. Okay.
Yeah, 3:30 is when the build is over. And whoever has the most part of their house built wins. Dude, I'm doing good over here, bro.
Wow, you just put one on.
Are you cheater, bro? You're getting all the fat ones.
Okay, I'm just digging and finding them. Okay, just flat.
Alright, here's
Oh, I found some fat ones all over the place, bro. Somebody.
He's over here cheating.
And we can shake it, shake it.
I don't even stick.
No, you fatty. I have
Hey, cheater!
Trash.
Trash. How you did?
Get it. Keep your trash. No, you can't take both of them. Fine, take your trash. I don't want it. Your trash is gay anyways.
You?
Oh crap, it's already on 2:30. Crap.
That ain't bad. Now we got him.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Bro, this is where John Cena.
And I'm not even halfway done. And you're not either. This is a little ice sculpture. This is like a window. Because it's to the window. To the wall. No crap on yourself. Ooh, I just got a bunch of big ones.
I like your proper grammar there.
Wow, that is just... Oh, it's 3:08 right now. Oh, we gotta get to 3:30. 3 minutes and 30 seconds when we stop. Ooh, I need this.
I don't know what in the world I'm getting. I'm just grabbing stuff.
Oh, you must have somebody. And we can shake it like I'm supposed to.
I got that move, baby.
All the ugly guys want. Yeah, that's how it goes.
Bro, you dig on your own side. The time is already up.
Alright, we'll go to 4 minutes.
Which is right now over.
And I'm done.
That ain't even a house.
Yeah, it is. It's a back cave.
Stop.
Okay, guys. We're finished now.
Look at me, bro. My house is awesome. See, I got my WWE door. Can you see?
Take it up there and display it. Like, display it. Tell them what it is. Take it up there. Alright, I'll do mine first.
No, I'm doing mine. Alright, so this thing fell off in the meantime. Alright, so start off with my John Cena door. You just, it opens, it pops off. You walk in my house. It's awesome. You have your little barrel thingy right here. And yeah, that's my house. It's awesome, ain't it? Like the door can flip around and stuff. That can be John Cena and
Here's my... Okay, this is my house. This is supposed to be my... This is more like a bat cave. or an icy cave to me, because this is a bunch of ice and stuff.
Hey, are we
Like-
gonna use our houses for the zombie apocalypse?
No, we're gonna break them. But this is like an ice door right here, and this is an ice window, and then my house is just empty. There's really nothing in it. It's just a house. It's just a, yeah. Alright, next build. Little builder, a zombie invasion. Unless that's in the body's name.
So, you want to let's start at 6 minutes.
We can start at
6 minutes.
okay, guys.
We're gonna start at 6 and end at 10.
No. End at
8.
yeah, we'll end at 10.
Right, put yours.
Alright, I'm just ready, set, build. You didn't get it high. You still didn't get all the zombies.
I see all the zombies,
So we know where they're all at. No, I dropped one. Thanks. Stop. No, get
bro. I had that before.
Get alive. Get alive. Oh, I got zombies. Can't find any. Dude, you got like 6.
Sorry, Pally.
I'm done with zombies. I need one more. I need one more zombie. Crap, I'm wasting time. Okay, I already know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I know what I'm gonna do. Ooh, where's that thingy at? Okay, here.
I've got it right here.
No, that's what I want.
I know you got a dirt bike.
No. I need it's on 7 minutes already. Hang on. Where's that thing? I need it. I swear, if you freaking took it, I'm gonna be so damn mad. Oh, you didn't take it. Where the heck is it?
These zombies are broke.
No dip, there's zombies. What are you talking about? Unless that's
There's a couple
somebody.
zombies that's already dead, but don't mind them. Okay, they're not important.
It's on 8 minutes already.
I got tired.
I do too. I got a zombie with no head. 8. We're on 8, 7, 16. We still got 2 minutes. We're on 9:30. Oh, give me that. No, stop. Please give me the pieces. Jeez, this has a glue on it. That sucks so freaking bad. I just tasted glue. Okay, that's fine.
That don't even look like a zombie apocalypse.
I'm not finished yet. This is a bunch of broken cars and... How many zombies? done. Oh, that one. I'm glad it's these guys. I need some zombies. Where are all the zombies at? I know there's a lot more than this. Stop! It's on 10. Display your zombie invasion. You first. Oh, okay. Alright, let me just throw these away. I don't need them. Well, that just looks like a bunch of zombies went into a workshop and the workshop just looked like trash. No, that ain't. I gotta be careful with mine. Alright, here's my zombie invasion. This is like a bunch of cars. Like a bunch of cars got broke. And then there's a dirt bike piece right here. And a dirt bike piece right here. And then my zombies are just creeping around. And there's a little frog right here trying to hide in the tire. And that's all for mine. Let's see Braden's. Hold on, Braden. My bill won't go. Hurry up. Alright, here's Braden's. Hold on. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. The clock's ticking, hurry up! Hey, where'd you find that? Oh, I could have used that one. I don't have glue on it. Jacks. Come on! Brandon, you're already on 11 dang minutes. Hurry up. Alright, now go show yours. My dude didn't hook up. It don't matter, just lay him on the ground.
I think I did better than Terry because I actually know that I did. Hold on, my people fell over. Hey, no! Please. Terry.
Crash the place!
He won't
The
stick.
video ended. Oh no, it didn't.
Oh no, it didn't. It's still on 12. Alright, so starting with mine, you have your little person right here, and like he's dead because he's got his head chopped off by the zombies. Then you have a zombie up here. Then you have these two army people.
What is the zombie on?
It's on a ladder. Thank you very much. If you didn't see. Then you have one person right here with it's missing its leg because it went into the battle. Then this person right here, he's still all good. He just lost his weapons. Then you got some zombies right here surrounding a guy that's laying there with his head chopped off. Then you have the tire zombies.
What is that thing?
What the hell? Then you have your zombies in the tires that's dead. Then you have a zombie that took a tank and broke it and made it just a riding machine. And yeah.
I got one thing about that.
What?
Zombies don't drive cars.
Well, it was automatically on drive and they took it and now it's just going around.
Okay.
So it's driving without them even worrying about it.
Okay. Well, guys, that's the end of this video.